Conquer any off-road adventure and tow safely without limits with Redarc's Tow Pro Trail Kit, your complete off-the-shelf brake controller kit with everything you need for installation. The Tow Pro Trail Kits are specifically designed for off-road adventures. Whether you're navigating steep descents, tackling sand and mud, or cruising the highway, these kits give you total confidence to keep towing safely after the pavement ends. With 2 braking modes, you're always in control. For those challenging off-road conditions, manual off-road mode has you covered. This mode provides user-controlled braking, allowing you to independently manage the trailer's brakes separate from your vehicle. When you're off the trails, use everyday mode. This mode uses proportional braking, meaning the trailer adjusts the braking force in sync with the vehicle, perfect for day-to-day towing and highway conditions. No matter what you're towing, safety is the #1 priority. Using class-leading technology, the Tow Pro Trail senses movement in all directions, applying the trailer brakes and adjusting the force as necessary for smooth and precise control. And for that dreaded trailer sway, SwayStop control technology ensures you have complete control of your trailer. The second you start to feel the trailer move, use SwayStop control and pull your trailer immediately back in line with the touch of a button. Operating your trailer's brakes has never been easier. Whether you're switching between modes or adjusting the brake intensity, it's all at your fingertips for a stress-free towing experience. What sets the Tow Pro Trail kits apart is the ease of installation. Each kit includes a Tow Pro Trail unit, vehicle-specific wiring harness and switch inserts. This means less time spent in the garage and more time spent adventuring. The Tow Pro Trail remote head blends seamlessly into your dashboard, with vehicle-specific switch inserts providing a factory finish. The compact main unit can discreetly be mounted behind the dash with no knee-knocking controllers, just a clean, original look. They are available for Jeep Wrangler, Rubicon and Gladiator, Ford Bronco and F-150, Ram 1500, a variety of Nissan models, and Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, Land Cruiser, Sequoia and 4Runner. For safety, confidence and control, choose the Tow Pro Trail Kit, where unrivaled safety meets unmatched performance. For more information and to get your hands on the ultimate towing solution, visit redarcelectronics.com.